In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert accent marks in Word. If you ever need to write names, places, or words from other languages correctly, accent marks are essential, and Word makes it easy with its built-in tools. First, look to the top of your Word window and go to the Insert tab on the ribbon. This tab contains tools for adding items to your document, things like pictures, equations, and, in our case, special characters. If your window is narrow, you may need to expand it so you can see all the options clearly. Next, find and click Symbol on the right side of the Insert tab. You'll see a small gallery of recently used or common symbols. That gallery is handy once you've inserted a few marks, but for the full collection, we'll open the complete picker. Choose More Symbols. This opens the Symbols dialog, where Word organizes thousands of characters from many writing systems. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks once you know where to look. In the Symbols dialog, locate the subset dropdown. From that list, select Combining Diacritical Marks. This subset contains accent marks that attach to the character immediately before them. In other words, they're designed to layer over or under the letter you've already typed. You'll find acutes, graves, circumflexes, tildes, umlauts, macrons, and more, all as separate marks that combine with your text. This approach is especially useful when the exact accented letter you need isn't available as a single pre-built character, or when you want consistent styling across different letters and fonts. Now, choose a symbol. Click the accent you want in the list, and Word will place that mark at your cursor position so it combines with the preceding character. A helpful workflow is to type the base letter first, then insert the combining accent so it stacks correctly. If the mark doesn't appear quite right, check that your font supports combining characters. Common fonts like Calibri, Times New Roman, and Arial typically work well. You can repeat the process to add more marks, and the symbol button's small drop-down will start to show your recently used accents for quicker access next time. That's all there is to it. To recap the flow you'll use again and again, open the Insert tab, click Symbol, choose More Symbols, set the subset to Combining Diacritical Marks, and select the accent you need. With these steps, you can write accurately and professionally without leaving Word or memorizing complex shortcuts.